If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. So if you are somebody who is serious about making money online, there is something that you need to know right now. And that is, no one can stop you. All right, welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now I'm making this video for you. If you are somebody who, struggling to make money online, or you're not sure that it is possible to actually make money online, this video is going to motivate you and you are going to be ready to start making money online because, like I said, no one can stop you, right? We live in the world now where the opportunities are crazy and they're pretty much limitless. So it doesn't even matter what you're trying to do when it comes to making money online, because there's tons of ways to do it, right? There's affiliate marketing, network marketing, drop shipping. You can write ebooks, Kindle books, become a freelancer, you name it. There's opportunities out there, but you have to understand, all right, before you start whatever you're trying to start, no one can stop you. No one can stop you but you. No outside person, not a friend, not a spouse, not a child, not a parent can stop you from pursuing your dreams, your online goals, your financial goals. No one can stop you. And you should be happy about that, because like I think about when I was younger, perfect example. I wanted to play basketball. I wanted to be a basketball star when I was in high school. Like I was like geared for it. I was a little kid always playing basketball outside. And I was like, all right, I can't wait. When I get to high school, I'm going to be the man. Like I'm just going to, and I never thought about coaches or other players or none of that. I just thought I was good and I'm just going to play. I'm going to be like a star, right? But when I got to high school, just bring back some damn memories. But I got screwed. Why? Because in the 8th and 9th grade, for whatever reason, the basketball coach wouldn't play me. And before you comment, be like, oh, that's probably because you suck. Trust me, I didn't, right? I didn't. All right. So my point is, as I grew up and grew older, I'm like, yo, that's messed up, because I couldn't play me at basketball. I was 13 years old, 14. I couldn't make the coach play me, even though I used to kick ass before and after practice. You know what I'm saying? I used to school the star players. You know what I'm saying? But that's a whole nother subject. But like, I couldn't control that, right? I couldn't control that. You know what I mean? So they stopped, other people stopped what I was doing. They stopped my goals. Even people, you might be at a job or something, and you might be like, oh, I deserve more money or promotion. I deserve this, da 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 da. And maybe your boss, he could control that. Your boss could look and say, hey, I ain't giving you that. So they could be stopping you from progressing in at the workplace, right? But when it comes to this make money online world, this internet game, right? Yeah, there's obstacles. There's obstacles every day. It's work. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're going to have ups and downs, but ultimately it's up to you. It's up to you to make it happen. No one can stop you. No one can stop your work ethic. No one can stop your strategizing. Nobody can do that. Like there's no boss over your head that can tell you what to do, when to do. There's no coach that can tell you, okay, now you can get in and make YouTube videos. Okay, now you can get in there and promote on Facebook. None of that. It's all on you. So you should feel good about knowing that you are in control of your financial future, right? You just have to put in that effort and really believe. And it's not even really about believing. It's about knowing that you're going to achieve your goals, not hoping, right? It's knowing. That is the key. So once again, it doesn't matter what you're trying to do online. It doesn't matter, right? Just know no one can stop you.